Hi everyone, right, this is going to be a very quick video about my Mobylette. Now the reason I'm making this is because I've had a few people comment on how good a condition it is, a stunning condition, and although it is in very good condition for a 51-year-old moped, it's not as good as you might think. So what I thought I'd do is I'd let you have a little close-up. So the handlebars for starters, as you can see, the chrome is well pitted. Yeah, this is where my zinc plating kit is going to come in handy for bits and pieces like this. These panels here, again, you can see they're marked, the badge is damaged there. Can't get another one of them. If you know where I can get one of them badges, hit me up. But they're painted. They should be chrome. Be nice to get those chromed again one day when I can afford it, because chrome is terribly expensive. The flywheel, again, plating and coatings coming off it, needs attention there. The paintwork, I did it myself, to be honest with you. It's not bad, but it's cellulose paint and it does mark easily. For example, on the swing arm there you can see, and again the chrome on the pedal crank. Again, chrome problems on the carrier there. This is the original carrier to the bike, by the way. Black number plates I put on. It did have yellow ones, but given the age of the bike, I'm fully entitled to go with the black ones. It's a bit corroded down there as well. Didn't notice that before. Now the wheels, they are painted. The chrome was in piss poor condition, so I took them apart, took all the spokes out, and I've painted them. It's not a bad paint job, but they are painted. Seat is not original. It's a pattern part, but it's a very, very good one. I do have the original seat still in my shed. May or may not get that recovered and use it one day. Again, these side panels here, they're not so good. The rain deflectors, is that what they're called, the plastic bits at the bottom, again, I made them out of a plastic drum, like one of them. The original ones are still there, as you can see, but I just glued on, because they're all cracked and damaged, I glued on like plastic barrel, plastic if you like. Chrome on the front mud guards, not bad. Front number plate, a little bit pitted and damaged. Not original, I bought that from some guy in India. And again, front wheel, chrome was piss poor, so I had to take that apart and paint it. Engine, I have had that apart, rebuilt it, piston rings and everything. Again, I didn't pretty it up, maybe I should have done. One day I want to pull this bike apart and do it again properly. Again, there, in the bolt you can see where I've been swinging my spanner. Why has it got a ball horn on it? Because this horn doesn't work, and that keeps it road legal. That's not going to be a permanent arrangement, but it just keeps me road legal. Now the white around the headlight, again, that should be chrome. I painted it white. The surround around the speedo should be chrome. I've got it white. Again, chrome deteriorated on the levers, etc. But yeah, from this distance, yes, it looks a stunning bike. But there you go, I've been up front with you, you've had a close look round it. 51 years old, like I said, can't really moan at the condition. Cheers guys.